What's up, you guys? I'm here with a brand new video. I wanted to show you these brand new bulbs I got from Auxbeam. They have the LEDs around the bulb and the high and low beams. These are the old ones I had here, which were a very bad choice that I got. Not saying Auxbeam is a bad product, because obviously I wouldn't be buying another ones, but this here, these are the two top low beams, and this is the high beam in the bottom. Not very good design, especially for my light housing. So I have one already installed and the other one that is still on the housing. So check these out. So these are the regular headlights. So the right one is the old bulb and the new one is the left one. You can see the difference already. Here's the high beam. I'm not sure how good the high beam is going to be, but if you notice on the right one, there's no high beam. They come on, but it doesn't work. Here's the old bulb right here. Now if you look right there on the bottom, I can't point it out, but you'll see the bottom of it, and you'll see this cover right there that's blocking that light from giving any light to this housing, to the bottom of the housing. The only ones that work are on the top, but the bottom one doesn't give any light. That's blocking it, and it's not a very good design for this kind of headlight unit here. So this new one actually is side to side. And I think it was going to work a little bit better, but the real test is going to be at nighttime. Cool thing about this, now I don't even have this attached yet, but I'm just putting this on so you can see it. I haven't installed the app so I can show you the different colors that comes on, but it has multicolor. You can change it whatever color you want, but of course you can't use this on the road. You have to be in the parking lot to be able to do that. No blue or red here in North Carolina, so they're pretty bright. I like how it looks. I thought it wasn't going to be that bright, but it's awesome. So what I did, the connection I got, this is going to go on the battery to that terminal. My original idea was to find somewhere to plug in this, a fuse. I don't know if I'd rather have it running all the time or find a fuse that shut off with the vehicle. Put it in that fuse, put the original fuse that has in there on one of these, and put a new fuse for the lights up here. But the thing is, the fuses are smaller than what I thought, so I'm gonna have to return that, switch it out. But for right now, this will do. Once I get that other piece, I can cut it off and connect it to the fuse. But we'll see, because I still have the trailer brake I still got to fix here, because the mechanic just tied it up to there, so I got to fix that too. But for right now, let's get all this straightened out and see how the trucks look, and see if I can download the app so I'll be able to use these. Guys, before I show you how the lights look, I know the wires look kind of messed up. I'm gonna fix that off video, I promise you. But if you ever get these lights, make sure you scan that code right there, and it'll take you right to the application of where you're going to control these LED multicolor lights. Here's the results. Both of them are ready to go. I already downloaded the application because this one turned blue, the other one turned green, but both of them are red. They're being controlled already by the app. And like I said, the headlights, you have to turn them off, you have to turn them off by the app. But here's the headlights. Here's the high beams. So we'll see how good they work at night. Maybe I'll record a video at night about doing that. I just smacked my head on that shit right there. But yeah, like I said, they're not really hard to install. All I did was connected the red wire that comes with the kit, created your own wire, send it to wherever you can. I'm gonna refix this. I gotta find a way to fix this. And right here, both of the connections are connected to this end right here, and the top connection is connected to the battery. So that's all you have to do. Now, like I said, I did have the one to connect with the fuse here, but I didn't get the right one. So if I want to, I can switch it out later and put it with the fuse. That way it'll shut off with the car once you shut off the vehicle. But honestly, I think you want to have them off even when you have the car off. But that's the result. This is how it looks like with the hood down. Make it look like that evil look. So hell yeah, like I said, once you get these lights, you'll be able to see it, the multicolor function, because I'm using a phone that I need to be using to control these lights. So unfortunately I can't show you that, but it's pretty cool. I like how they look. Even the blue one is bright. So but you only use these when you're parked in the parking lot or somewhere, so don't use them on the road. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's my video. I'm sorry if this video is not too professionally done like a lot of people are gonna do it. I have a lot that I'm doing right now, and I just don't have time to indent so much on the videos. But hopefully this helped you out and make you this understand. Hopefully it helps you out. Hopefully it helps you understand how to install these, because a lot of the videos I saw on YouTube really didn't explain much. All they were doing is showing off how the lights look and where they got it and yada yada, you know. But this is the best way I can explain to you, the easiest way you can do it when you're installing these lights. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, once I can. Oh yeah, by the way, I changed the wheels on the Ram. I got the Archon wheels on them, 20-inch, 20 by 12s. So I've had them for maybe like 2 months now, but they're pretty good. I like them. They're a little dirty because it rained, but I like it. Pretty dang good, soft ride. But yeah, all right guys, I'm out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a like. Any more information you wanna know, let me know, and I'll answer the best way I can. Thank you. Peace out. All right guys, so I'm here at my truck right now. I'm gonna show you how the lights work. There's the low beams, there's the high beams. I mean, I can't complain. I mean, I still don't know how bright they're gonna be down the road. I am at my house, but at least I got some high beams. So we'll see how good it's down the road, but I mean, it's working pretty good. Turn on my fog lights and I'll show you how it looks like with all of them on. There they are. Oh yeah, pretty dang good. Sorry for the camera doesn't want to focus, but they are pretty bright, so they're trying to adjust. So yeah, I like how they look, especially with the switchbacks. Yeah, I like it. But I recommend these lights. I mean, they're pretty good. I like how they look. These lights compared to the other ones, these ones actually reach a little bit further than the other ones. The other ones didn't reach that far, and these are the low beams. So with the high beams, now that I actually have high beams, not compared to the other ones, I recommend them, especially if you want that nice multicolor function on it. I recommend these lights, man. I really do. About 60 bucks plus tax. I got these on Amazon, but you can go on their website and get them there too. So all right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.